Alright, so we're going to do a little upgrade project here. Isabella blew out her old tire. You can see it's her old rim, sorry, not tire. But we're going to see if we can upgrade these tires to some new ones and see how it goes. Spacers installed. New tires. Alright, new wheels are on and installed. Much beefier. Gotta do something with the front ones in a little bit, but hey, back ones are done. Alright, I gave the girls' go-kart a little bit of an upgrade. Gave it some wider tires here for a bigger stance with some spacers, new air filter, carburetor with a larger port, some aftermarket exhaust. I kept the silencer on it because this thing gets loud if I keep it off, and I don't want to be that guy with the kids in the neighborhood. But yeah, we're gonna fire this thing up and see how she does.